Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and our Colorado Cargo Trailers. We specialize in multi-use units here so you guys can get a lot of use out of your trailers. You can view our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. This one's an 8.5 by 18 setup for highway travel. This is a superior setup with these torsion spread axles if you guys are doing a lot of highway traveling. It does give you AC, power, insulation, windows, a bunch of goodies on it we'll go through right now. It is our thicker aluminum skin. It's the metallic platinum silver. You also have the black diamond plate package. This is the Blackout package. You've got the V-nose guard, bottom diamond plate guard as well, and it's wrapped on the corners. Now this unit does have 30 amp service on it, so you do have your 30 amp plug right there as it is generator ready. Also has the nice big awning slash escape door off of this side. So this just folds up essentially like an awning, so you guys can use it for an escape door with vehicles. It's also great if you want to use it for escape doors with UTVs and side-by-sides. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. Party lights off the side here as well, so you have some exterior lighting. And then back at your ramp door, we'll come back here, you also have load lights off the back right there, so you've got plenty of exterior light. Drop down stabilizer jacks as well underneath there, which is great if you guys want to drop from your vehicle and have that extra stability in the trailer. 7-foot interior height. This is a amazing size for bigger UTVs out there. Now you also have a battery box and battery charger, which is going to run your exterior party lights, load lights. It also runs your nice little interior puck lights in here. You've got 4 of these guys on the interior. You can see those just came on there. Insulated walls and ceiling. You've got the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here. So it's all finished out and nice and clean on the interior. 2 windows. Again, you can use that as the awning door. Fold that up, or if you want it down, you've still got the dual windows here for cross ventilation. Plus you've got the overhead Maxx Air roof vent back here as well for that additional ventilation. Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. That's one of our best, most durable floors that we can find. You've got 4 D-rings as well and side vents, so you will have a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is really nice. Now you also have your switches in here. This one back here is for your load light off of the back. Your other switches up here are obviously for your puck lights, party lights, and your overhead 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. You also have an AC unit with a heat strip, so that you do have the ability to heat and cool the trailer as well. 3-year factory warranty. This unit weighs 2,500 pounds. It's gonna give you guys about a 4,500 pound payload capacity. This is not a car hauler. These ramp doors are not rated for you guys to be hauling big cars in here. So rated for toys and something extremely small and lightweight. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. 303-688-8485. Check us out online always, getmytrailer.com, or send us an email, sales@getmytrailer.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.